Okay, go. It
was bath bed time. So five little monkeys took a bath. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. 5 little monkeys were said good night, Mom.
ما كتוב פה.
To Mom. Dear Mom.
מה כתוב פה?
Mom.
Read it.
Mommy.
Mama. Mama.
Then 5 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. I'm gonna do that. Cha-cha.